person, good life. Long live! Welcome to my vlog. I am your teacher vlogger, vlogger of the century, Mama Buhay, Ma'am Darna, and the Ma'am Selfie Queen. Live and alive. I would like to share you my moments here on a Sunday morning. Here I am in Vista Mall, Davao. Okay, it's very comfy, cozy mall here in Davao, and it's the latest mall in Davao. So this is my captured episodes. Let's go to the parking area. It's not yet 10 o'clock. It's only 9:30. So let's go around, have a tour. Vista Mall, Davao, parking entrance. It's a wide space. So wide, and there are only few vehicles right now, motorcycles. I've not seen one car yet on the parking area. So wide area. So it's nice if you have your car, you occupy this space now. It's also good for walking, as much as I was able to go around the subdivision early morning. More parking spaces. Vista Mall, all home. So I think they're also here for picture, and while waiting for the mall to open, there is an overpass over there. Mabuhay! Why are you here? Waiting for the mall to open?
Yes.
Yeah. Why have you chosen Vista Mall? Nearby? Just near. Oh, mga like tayo Mabuhay channel. Beautiful ladies. Hi. Okay. So what is about Vista Mall? Describe one word.
Taking a picture.
Taking pictures. Also me taking pictures and vlogging. Okay. One word lang, one word. Unsay one word, one adjective you will describe the Vista Mall.
Vista Mall?
One word. Okay, your name please. One word lang. Teacher ako. What grade are you? College na? So okay, one word lang. How do you describe Vista Mall? Inside, ano ba?
So many things.
Many things. Okay, one word lang, one word. Like nice, terrific, cozy, what else?
Shopping area.
Shopping. Okay, area. One more. Your name please, name.
My name is Roxanne.
Roxanne. Oh,
Belarus.
Belarus?
Yeah.
I have a batchmate, Belarus, in Liti. Oh, no, your nanny, your relative here, Roxanne Belarus. Follow me on Facebook, Erlinda Bing Basilo Rindon, Mabuhay channel, ha? Tonight, I will post your name. I love red, you know.
Mitzi Belarus.
Mitzi Belarus.
Yeah.
I love, you are the relative of my batchmate.
We are sisters.
Sisters, beautiful. Okay, so, to you, my viewers, here are the Belarus sisters. How about you? Descartes. Again.
Descartes po.
Yeah, okay. You know, I am a grade 12 teacher, retired teacher, grade 8. Okay. So, college na kayo lahat?
First year college.
What course? Education?
Yes.
Yeah, it's good to be a teacher, but there is no money here in the Philippines, ha? You go abroad first.
That's my plan.
2 to 3 years, then go back. Wag mo nang get married after na. Then, yeah, that's my, you also, yeah, that's my advice.
Gone for Angel, Descartes po.
Yeah, your sisters. Okay, so I think kayo simba. Simba kayo, no?
Yeah.
What church? Catholic?
Mormons.
Mormons, yeah. We also in the kingdom, but yeah. So this is it. I would like you to invite our viewers to visit now Vista Mall and subscribe to Mabuhay YouTube, Mabuhay channel. You look for me. Mabuhay channel. Erlinda Rindon. Tonight, sige. Please, subscribe. to YouTube Mabuhay channel of Ma'am Rendon and invite them to be here in the mall. Now, right now. Okay? So, one word. How do you describe Vista Mall? Some word lang.
It's a nice place.
Ay, you're shy, ha? Nice. Okay, you.
Beautiful.
Beautiful, yeah. You also love red, no? Yeah, me too. So, this is it. My encounter with these beautiful ladies coming from here in Davao, but they just dropped by this Vista Mall after their worship, right? Okay, so thank you. Subscribe tonight and follow me on Facebook. What's my name? Erlinda Bing Basilio Rendon. What channel? Mabuhay. My Facebook account and YouTube ako. Okay, the read profile. Sige, look for me. I will post in a while.